In this video, I'm going to share how I went from $0 to $8,000 per month with AI affiliate marketing and my exact method, all the income streams, all the top tools that I'm using to achieve this. So just a quick overview for today's episode. I'm going to share the system and tools that I use to go from $0 to $8K a month that clients have replicated to over $5,000 per month. And for me personally, while working less than 10 hours per week, with no headaches, no hassle, it's mostly passive income. Then I'm going to share with you the top 5 AI tools that save me 10 to 20 hours per week minimum that are going to save you a ton of time and money. Today's episode is sponsored by MyLead, which is one of the leading affiliate networks that I am an affiliate for. I'm going to tell you more about MyLead later in this video. Thank you to MyLead for making this video possible. All right, so very quickly, I'm going to share with you a quick income report to talk about this business model and why it is so powerful, why I'm so excited about it. And what's interesting is in this income report of earning $8,372, we're on track to smash past this in November 2025. But first, let me just start at the top. Amazon affiliate is responsible for the bulk of the earnings at $5,565. Mediavine, which is one of the newer income streams that we're applying to this hybrid model. Before, we used to just do pure affiliate marketing, but now we're adding in premium ad revenue, which is making up a significant chunk of the income, and it's another thing that I'm super excited about. And then our third income stream is YouTube AdSense at $608. Mediavine was just under $2,200, but AdSense is $608. It is the lowest here, but it still contributes. And last but not least, I have 2 more income streams that I put on this income report that did not exist at the time, which is Amazon Influencer and sponsorships, 2 income streams which I just began in around the last 1 to 2 months. And that is part of the reason why in November, we are going to absolutely smash past this income. But just a quick note about the income streams, when you have so many diversified income streams, you build a business that is more robust, more sustainable, and at the same time, it also allows for more predictable month-to-month income. And for the most part, once you set these up the right way and you build this business up the right way and make it evergreen, I would say 70 to 80% of this income is relatively passive, which is the most passive income business that I've personally come across, and I've tried everything online. So I want to give a quick shout out to one of my clients and members of our community, Tyler, who earned over $5,800 in October 2025. Just an insane achievement for someone who's replicating the exact system that we're talking about today. To me, this is real proof that this is a copy and paste predictable framework and system that is earning real money in 2025. So if you want to learn more about one-on-one coaching, you can see it in the video description or in the podcast notes. You can schedule a quick call to see if it's right for you. Also, I want to invite you to join our school community, the Profit Guild, and get my $500 affiliate starter kit for free immediately upon joining. Basically, this is going to be the best beginner training on how to set up a business like the one we're talking about in this video. And you're going to have so many resources, tools, videos, courses that's going to get you started as fast as possible. Not to mention, we do multiple live streams every single month where I'm live answering questions, and our members are also answering questions, asking questions, sharing awesome wins. So I highly suggest you check that out and join today. All right, so before I share the first tool, what you need to know about using AI to actually make money, because right now I feel that online there is really cool demos and people show you these AI tools, the latest, greatest thing. But the truth is they show you these gimmicky demos that don't actually generate any sales or any money. And that's not what I'm personally interested in. So my first tip here is don't ever fully rely on just AI. You need a human component to stand out in 2025, which brings me to my second point, which is a question that what will be evergreen and more scarce in the future? Because what is scarce equals more valuable with time, just like Bitcoin. And AI slop, these AI generated articles, videos, it's not scarce. And it's becoming harder and harder to monetize. I actually have a slide right here. This is an article from TechCrunch where YouTube is preparing crackdown on mass-produced repetitive videos as concern over AI slop grows. So this is something that's been updating in the monetization policies where you cannot have low-quality content be monetized anymore. There was a window where you could get away with that, but over time, these things are going to get patched. They're not going to be able to be monetized anymore. So that's going to remove the incentive to create this low-quality spammy content, which nobody likes. And lastly, my tip is you should combine the ideas from AI with real data from tools like Keywords Everywhere, for example. So with Keywords Everywhere, they give you the actual estimates for search volume based on Google Keyword Planner. So it's coming from Google themselves. And that's how you know you can trust the data. Whereas when you're relying only on AI, you're only using ChatGPT and you're asking for things like search volume, where they can tell you a very convincing answer of, okay, this gets 5,000 searches per month, but you don't know for sure if that is verified, okay? So my last point here is focus on providing value over everything. The boring stuff still makes a ton of money today. Don't fall for the fancy AI demos that don't actually make any sales or produce any real value. All right, so the first tool I want to share with you, and this one I actually think is a game changer that most people are not really thinking about, and it's something that actually totally changed the game for me. So everybody knows ChatGPT. And I would actually argue, although everyone knows ChatGPT, and I personally use ChatGPT, I have it on all my devices, I have it on my phone, I have it synced up to my desktop. So I use ChatGPT very often, don't get me wrong. That said, Google Gemini, in my experience, has been so much better for the type of work we do. Why? Because I believe that Google Gemini is trained on the internet, so the blog posts and the YouTube videos, which is the exact thing that we are trying to rank for. It's the exact kind of online real estate we're trying to create, because these are the top two platforms that are generating this kind of money for my business. It's going to be Google search with Google SEO, and it's going to be YouTube with YouTube SEO and videos. So immediately, just from shifting from asking the same questions and brainstorming and doing all these prompts with Gemini as opposed to ChatGPT, you're already going to see a lift and an improvement in the ideas that it generates. Now, think about this too. Not as many people are using Google Gemini. Everybody and their mother is using ChatGPT. If we're getting the same answers or relatively similar answers from ChatGPT, and there's hundreds of millions of people, think about what is going to be scarce, what's going to be unique. What is going to be more in line with what we want to do, which is rank on Google and YouTube? Who do you think is going to have better answers? Honestly, Gemini absolutely is superior to ChatGPT, and I have a list of some ways that I personally use Google Gemini, and I do plan to add an AI workshop to our Profit Guild school community so that I can show you step by step. I can show you the actual prompts and share those prompts, copy and paste with you. But starting from the top, brainstorming, whether that's ideas, feedback, brand names. You know, if you're thinking of a domain name, I like to use these LLMs to come up with those ideas. Niche and market research, you can literally use Google Gemini or ChatGPT as a research assistant, and they can do what would have taken dozens of hours of market research. They can just get that to you in seconds or minutes. And with blogging, you can come up with content pillars to help you organize your thoughts, the product categories, or just the categories on your website. Blog post ideas, which again, make sure that you double check that the keywords that they're telling you to go for, that you know the data from Keywords Everywhere so that you truly know whether it is a good keyword opportunity for you or not. And then next, I love using it for viral YouTube video ideas, for viral YouTube title optimization. You can give it your title that you're planning to name your video on YouTube, and they can suggest better titles that are going to have a higher click-through rate. That's going to totally transform the performance of your video. Blog title optimization, this is another way you can give them a title for what you were planning to do, and then they can give you better titles to get higher click-through rate. And then lastly, YouTube scripting and product research. If you don't know much about a market, or you just want to, get the top brands that maybe you could be an affiliate for, you can easily use any of these tools to generate that. All right, so everybody knows about ChatGPT, but I just shared how to shift from using ChatGPT to Google Gemini to get a competitive advantage. But tool number 2 is a tool that I don't think many people have used or heard of, but if you're in the video editing space, let's say you do YouTube or you do any kind of shorts, so TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, Gling AI is a game changer, because this is what everyone who does videos dreams of, where in minutes, they can do that first draft rough cut where they remove all the silences, the awkward pauses, the repeats, everything. You can just give them a raw file where maybe it's like 30 minutes of you rambling and you keep messing up, but for efficiency's sake, you take that one video recording, you drop it into Gling AI, and it basically makes you a 90% of the way there finished video, which is insane for anyone who's ever done video editing. Now, I want to give you some alternatives here. So I love using Loom. That's actually what I'm using to record this video. And Loom does have some AI features to clean up your video, to clean up those awkward pauses, to edit it. So if you're making less formal videos where it doesn't need to have like crazy high production value, and if the majority of it is screen share, which is what I use Loom for, Loom saves me so much time because not only does it have like this AI cleanup, but I also use it for getting back to my clients, giving them feedback on their websites, their YouTube videos, their content, and it allows us to save time from having to do a live meeting. And last but not least, an outsourced video editor, which is not AI, but this is actually another alternative to, using Gling AI, that if you're someone who's really investing into their business, I highly suggest this because this is going to absolutely unlock your productivity and allow you to do so much more, create so much more content. You can focus on just filming content, batch filming content, and you don't have to spend a single hour editing videos, which is going to drain your time and energy from that core competency, which should be content creation. All right, so this brings us to the sponsor for today's video, which is MyLead. This is one of the leading affiliate networks that I'm personally an affiliate for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you a little bit information about them, and then I'm going to walk you through the sign up process so you can join today. Anybody can join MyLead. I highly suggest you join it. There is over 5,500 affiliate programs over multiple categories, including dating, health and beauty, sweepstakes, surveys, services, fashion, e-commerce, gaming, and more. So to join, all you need to do is visit mylead.global, and then you're going to click this join the best button. Okay, here you're going to register. You're going to scroll down to the bottom where it says you don't have an account. You're going to click create account. Then you can use either one of these logins, or you can just simply type in a login, enter your email address and a password. Then you can read all of these consents and you can accept it if you want to move forward. All right, so you're going to type in your information and click start your free registration. Then you're going to receive a token via email. So you're just going to copy and paste that right into here. Make sure you check your spam folder because it may show up there. All right, so that's basically it. Once you're in, you're going to select an account type. You can do private or you can create a company account. And then you're just going to fill in your information here. And after you fill that out, you can complete the registration, and that's going to give you access to your free MyLead account. All right, so after you create your free account and get approved, you're going to reach the MyLead dashboard. Now, if you want to see the different affiliate marketing offers and options, you can go here on the left-hand sidebar, click affiliate marketing, and you can go into affiliate campaigns. Here is where you will find thousands of campaigns across so many different categories, including health and beauty, dating, house and garden, and so much more. You can use these filters to filter out what you're looking for, and there are subcategories like supplements, cosmetics. You can see the commission rates, the campaign type, the cookie duration, and you can also choose the campaign by recommended. Here I'm seeing some of the most popular brands like Hostinger and Raid Shadow Legends. There's also so many different conversion types for the type of offer that you want to promote, including sales, creating an account, opt-ins, surveys, and more. So if you want to apply for a campaign, you can just click this. You can get more information and details from this page, and then you can add a traffic source, join the campaign, and then you'll get access to your affiliate link so you can start promoting and hopefully make some money. So that is MyLead. I highly recommend you go create a free account. There's going to be a link in the video description and in the pinned comment below. You can get access to thousands of offers and affiliate programs. It costs nothing to join, so you have nothing to lose. Thanks again to MyLead for sponsoring this video. So thank you again to MyLead for generously sponsoring this video and making it possible. Highly suggest if you're an affiliate and you want to get access to 5,500 affiliate programs that you can join and sign up for today for free, then make sure you sign up to MyLead. All right, so tool number 3 is a tool that I cannot live without. I use every single day. I'm using it right now for this presentation, which is Canva. So with Canva, they have introduced AI tools where you can generate logos. You can just do that without having to go pay someone on Fiverr or on Upwork or anything like that. You can just generate your own logos today. Actually, you could probably even just do that inside of ChatGPT as well, but I like using Canva because it gives me that freedom to edit any sort of graphics, thumbnails, video that it generates, and I like having that control to be able to edit it because at the end of the day, you probably always want to be able to slightly tweak some things. It's never quite perfect. And I use Canva for all my YouTube thumbnails, my blog featured images. Honestly, once you get the hang of Canva, it really replaces a more professional and harder to use software like Photoshop. I just like the ease of use. It gets the job done absolutely. All right, so I get asked all the time about SEO blog writing or AI blog writers. And honestly, I have not been a fan of pretty much any of them that I've tested. I mean, most of them are fine, don't get me wrong, but the truth is, these AI blog writers, they're not that much better than just using ChatGPT, which in itself is something I would not recommend, because what we're trying to do is we're trying to get rankings on Google. We're trying to create good, high quality, original content. That's what actually ranks. That's what I have right now, and my students have, or my clients have, that it's crushing it on Google, even as tiny sites with small domain authority. It's because our content is high quality, it's original, and it's fresh. So there is one tool that I've personally used, I personally paid for, signed up for, and have used for actual blogs that do rank on Google, and that tool is SEOpital. So SEOpital, it's spelled SEOpital.co, and basically there'll be a link where you can check it out in the video description. But basically I have some tips on top of using SEOpital, which I'm just going to show you their website right here. They talk about AI SEO writing tool for better rankings that helps boost organic traffic, and it creates a content optimization workflow, which I do think that this does help speed things up. Again, I would never publish something straight without touching it, without editing it. And my tips for how you can get the most out of this is always customize the brand voice section and try to make it a real person instead of generic third person, and always write from first person. Those are the two tips that I can give you, and there's a lot more that I'm going to include in the AI workshop, how I actually use a tool like SEOpital to help speed up my content creation, my blogging process. But basically, you never ever want to take the default, even if you're using a tool like this that is more advanced or more premium than ChatGPT. You just never want to just take that default output and go straight to publish on WordPress. All right, so the last tool I want to share with you is one that I'm a big fan of and I've used for many videos and content, which is 11 Labs for AI voiceovers. So in my experience, 11 Labs is the frontier. It is the leading in terms of the most realistic and believable voiceovers that is fully AI generated. So you could basically take a script, and if you're shy, you can try using this, where you can just basically copy and paste text to speech, and you can set the settings for the voice. You can choose multiple voices, you can change the speed, everything about it, and I like to tweak it. And one tool that I use is called Voice Clone. So this is a feature that can also save you time, because what you could do is, with some small samples of your own voice, you can actually have it replicate pretty close. I'd say, if you tweak it a lot, which you have to experiment, you can get 80-90% of your speaking voice. And then once you're able to have these scripts that you can copy and paste, then all of a sudden that is going to absolutely explode your productivity, because now you're not even having to do voiceovers like I'm doing with my microphone right here. You can literally just take a script, apply your voice, and it's going to be both original and it's also going to sound very good and professional with less time. All right, so those are the 5 AI tools that I'm currently using to save anywhere from 10 to 20 hours per week. Again, it's all about, we still need to do the core competency of creating value that helps other people make a purchase decision, or help other people solve a pain in their lives using maybe specific products or something like that. And so I never lose track of that. I still devote the majority of my time to creating original, high quality human content, but I use AI in many places to augment my workflow, to help me save time and help us get to that result that's going to be still largely human, but at the same time, I'm not spending hours and hours and hours upon the mundane tasks that's part of my workflow. So again, if you want to learn more about one-on-one coaching, in the video description or in the podcast notes, you can also schedule a quick call to see if it's right for you. There is so much exciting stuff that I've been working on for both this business model and also for my trainings, which I'm updating for 2026 very soon. There's so many breakthroughs that we're having, and you saw some of those client results inside of our school community that I shared, and I'm just so excited for what the future holds, because it has never been a better time than now for this business model, and there's still so much left to gain. I told you, haven't added in Amazon influencer, haven't added in sponsorships, which easily is going to take things over $10,000 a month for this case study, and I just can't believe how far things have come in such a short time. Again, check out My Lead, sign up. It's completely free. You have nothing to lose. You can create an account, browse from 5,000 plus affiliate programs. Thanks again to My Lead for sponsoring this video. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more content just like this.